What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish. And as you can see, the settings changed a little bit. We're trying to make a quote-unquote studio out here in Ilwaco, Washington, in the back of Spawn Fly Fish. And it's going to be a work in progress. So you're going to be along for the ride as you always have been since day one here at Spawn Fly Fish. We're super excited to have you. Things will change. It should get sharper. But doing it back here in the back of the shop is going to allow us to have uninterrupted sessions where we can really convey what we're trying to say. And hopefully we'll lose some of those complaints about not being able to hear us. So we're going to tackle it. It's going to be great. Stay with us. All right, what is new at Spawn Fly Fish? First, we're going to jump into what's back in stock. This week, we had our biggest shipment ever. I'll say it again. Biggest shipment ever of Poccarini tails. From wiggle tails to dragon tails to water pushing discs to swivels. You name it, it's back in stock. Tons of sizes. We did decide to add one. The saddle tails. So, Poccarini has sent us several of these to play with in the past. Pete and I have played with them. They made the cut. Every color. How we do what we do. In stock, ready to ship in large quantity. So, pretty excited about that. This week's not going to be heavily oriented on new products. That's it for new products. So, not a lot. One thing we want to focus on, NRX 8-weight, 9-foot, is back in stock. We got quite a few of these. Might have been blurry there. We'll get used to this new space. But just know that NRX Plus from G Loomis, 9-foot, 8-weight, is back in stock. Another thing we want to touch on, custom orders. We got the Freestone Pant here from Simms. Excited to get these out the door to a customer. Remember, if there is something that you'd like from us, do not hesitate to reach out. But please know that we cannot control when it's shipped. We'll let you know that we placed the order. We'll let you know if their B2B or their stock is what it says it is. And we'll get it to you as fast as we physically can. One more thing to touch on. The Spey Hackles have been very hot. So if you haven't checked those out, do so. I've been tying up shrimp all week utilizing this product. It's been a lot of fun. Really, really interesting feather there that we are excited to showcase more and more. As far as dates, we don't really have anything set yet, but we will look forward to another tying class at Spawn Fly Fish in April. So be on the lookout for that. We'll announce that potentially at the next shop update. And as far as fishing goes, so we got a report from the jetty this morning. It was tough, but we're looking for that to start heating up here. We're hoping the water clarity and the seas calm down just a bit so we can get out there a little more. As many of you guys know, all of our streams and rivers are set to close here in the next 72 hours. So everything will kind of shut down as far as river and stream fishing goes, but the lakes have been stocked. There's fishing and people are having a blast out there. So this is that still water time to get out on the water. So looking forward to that. That pretty much does it. Pretty low-key shop update. We're in a new setting. Not a lot to showcase, but as we build into this and as we grow into this setting, we will have more and more for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. We really appreciate it. Come see us down here in Ilwaco, and I will see you guys next week.